Alright guys, today I want to come on here and do a quick unbox review and setup on my new smart projector. I do want to say thank you to the company for setting it out for review, so let's go take a look at it. Check it out. Different ports right here. User manual, the remote, and the power cable. So now that we got it all out of the box, let's go ahead and actually hook it up and see how it looks. Alright, and this is what it looks like straight out of the box. So I just went ahead and put it on my end table here, but right at first glance, it did feel a little small, but it does feel durable. But I did like the picture quality, as you can see. I was actually very surprised by that, but let's go ahead and actually see it in action. Alright, now let's dive into this thing. The visuals are impressive. You get a native 1080p resolution with 4K support. This means a really clear, sharp, vibrant picture, not some fuzzy upscaled image. Plus, it throws out a solid 500 ANSI lumens with a 6001 contrast ratio. Rich colors and deep blacks, making everything from movies to games look great. Connectivity-wise, it's got you covered with Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.0 for fast streaming and easy pairing. It also has USB 2.0, HDMI 2.0, and a 3.5mm jack, so you can plug in pretty much anything. Streaming sticks, consoles, laptops, you name it. You can set it up anywhere, table, tripod, or even just on the wall. Setup is a breeze thanks to the auto Keystone correction and electric focus. No more fiddling with tiny knobs, it just straightens and sharpens the image for you in seconds. For sound, the built-in speakers is surprisingly decent and gets loud enough for casual viewing. Plus, it runs super quiet, under 30 decibels. It even has a sleep timer. The projector runs Android 13, giving you access to tons of apps and streaming services. It also supports wireless mirroring like Miracast and AirPlay, making it easy to share content from your phone or tablet, which you'll see here shortly. It's also portable, weighing just over 2 pounds, and can project a screen from 40 to 300 inches. The lamp life is a massive 50,000 hours, plus it has low blue light technology and adaptive brightness to be easier on your eyes during long viewing sessions. So whether you're after a better home theater, a portable gaming setup, or just a versatile projector, this projector packs a lot into the small package. So if you guys found this video useful, make sure you guys like and subscribe. It definitely helps out the channel. But if you guys are looking for a new projector, definitely look into this one. I'm gonna leave that link in the description so y'all can get yours. Highly recommend.